Dear friends, welcome to Sai Krishna classes. Today we are going to discuss about a model for network security. Here, what is a model for network security? Here we can see that a sender is going to send a message to the recipient. So during this process of sending a message from the sender, the secret information will be there. The security related transformation will be performed, and this secure message will be going through a information channel. So here, if an opponent is trying to make this message to be read, a trusted third party will be there. For example, arbiter, distributor of secret information. So this secure message is again given to the recipient. So here also the secret information will be there. The security related transformation will be performed. So data is transmitted over network between two communicating parties who must cooperate for the exchange to take place. A logical information channel is established by defining a route through the internet from source to destination by use of communication protocols by the two parties. Whenever an opponent presents a threat to confidentiality, authenticity of information, security aspects come into play. Two components are present in almost all the security providing techniques. A security related transformation on the information to be sent, making it unreadable by the opponent, and the addition of a code based on the contents of the message, which is used to verify the identity of sender. Some secret information shared by the two principals, and it is hoped. An example is an encryption key used in conjunction with this. The scramble the message before transmission and unscramble it on reception. A trusted third party may be needed to achieve secure transmission. It is responsible for distributing the secret information to the two parties while keeping it away from any opponent. So you can see in the previous figure that a trusted third party is going to be needed to achieve the secure transmission. So what is the necessity of a trusted third party here? It is responsible for distributing the secret information to the two parties, while the secret information will be kept away from the opponent. It also may be needed to settle disputes between the two parties regarding the authenticity of a message transmission. So the general model, what does it show? It shows that there are four basic tasks in designing a particular security service. So now what are the four basic tasks? First one is design an encryption algorithm. That means we need to design an encryption algorithm. What is the second one? We need to generate secret information to be used with the algorithm. Next, what is the third one? Third one is develop the methods to distribute and share the secret information. And finally, we need to specify a protocol. We need to specify a protocol enabling the principals to use the transformation. That means what are the changes and secret information for a security service. So by using this model, what are the requirements we need? First one is security related transformation on the info to be sent. That is, we need to encrypt the message. And also some secret information or keys are need to be shared by the two principals. Thank you.